You inspire the action of a man. You make him obsessed with you and chase you through your feminine energy. You need to influence the room and not just adapt to it. You need to be convinced that every time you enter in a room, you add value to the room just because you are in it. When you're happy with yourself and love yourself, you also expect other people to love you the same kind of way. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's a girlfriend scene. I speak all things fashion, beauty, feminine energy, lifestyle. If this is something that you're interested in, keep on watching. Okay ladies, let's get started. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you tips on how to make him obsessed with you.
I was like, why are you so obsessed with me?
Have you seen Marilyn Monroe? She might not have been considered as the most beautiful woman, but she was that woman. She was able to make everyone obsessed with her, and even now people still talk about her and have frames of her in their homes.
Mosley, Mr. Franklin, Mr.
Mason, how do you do?
And Mr. Brooks, how do you do?
How do you do?
She was that iconic. She had the it girl effect, the wow factor, that energy, the confident magnetic aura is what drew people to her till today. Because ladies, if you think that just being super nice and doing everything a man say will keep a man, then you really are mistaken. Men will always gravitate around that woman with this kind of energy because it's an energy that says she's valuable, she knows her worth because she values herself. Secret number one or tip number one, ladies, is be like a black cat. Be that kind of woman that is mysterious, detached, aloof, really intelligent, observing your actions and acting accordingly. She's playful, she's mysterious and puts herself first. She's like a box of chocolate. You'll never know what you're gonna get inside because she's full of surprises. If you're the type of girl that always like to overshare, you need to pull back a bit. Let the silence fill the room. Don't talk too much, ladies. Don't text as much as well. Focus on yourself. This is the feminine energy. She's focusing on herself, her divine energy, doing her skincare routine, taking warm, relaxing baths, prioritizing beauty, taking walks, exercising, drinking water, going out with her girls, focusing entirely on yourself and your own happiness. You need to be obsessed with yourself. This is actually way easier than you think. I always tell my ladies to be surprising. Even with your clothes, look a little bit different from yesterday. Add a little bit of spice into your fashion. Surprise them. Let them wonder like, wow, who is she? Who is this woman that just entered the room? Like, wow, she looks beautiful. She looks dazzling. Be that kind of a woman who constantly works on herself daily. And remember, ladies, taking care of yourself doesn't mean you have to be selfish. Doesn't mean that you cannot love or care for other people or give onto others. We are not promoters of selfishness on this channel. We love other people, we care for others, and we treat them with dignity. But I feel like nowadays women tend to give more to others and not enough to themselves. This is just a little reminder to you that men are obsessed with you when you're obsessed with yourself as well. Secret or tip number two is master detachment. Don't be too eager. Don't be too obsessed over a man, looking at his phone to see what he's doing, stalking his Instagram or messages to constantly check who he's talking to.
I'm checking this.
Babe, you doing too much. You giving that man way too much credit. He should be the one obsessing over you. You can be very much in love with your partner or your husband, but you must be surrendered and laid back. The masculine love to chase while the feminine is a bit laid back and on the receiving side. Secret or tip number three is activate his dopamine, or let's call it playful bonding. With playful bonding activities, it creates amazing bonding experiences and amazing memories because it will make him think of you, and the more he thinks of you, he will continually have those memories running through his mind. The dopamine triggers the reward system in the brain, which is incredibly powerful. So do any activities together, like cooking together, having brunch together, spending quality time together. This is very alluring. He's going to be obsessed with that. Secret or tip number 4 is know who you are. Know your personal identity. You need to decide who you are. Like we are taught in the good book that we are created and made in the image of God. So you need to know your values, know your worth, know that you're created and wonderfully made through Christ. You need to know that you are the prize, and you constantly have to speak positive words over yourself, like words like I am loved, I am cared for, I am worthy of a man that treats me like the dream woman. If you are the type of girl to scroll on social media and create fake social media profiles to spy on him, crying about a guy, why he doesn't text you, why he hasn't called you yet, in that case, I'm sorry baby, but your personal identity does not fit in this category. You need to decide who you are. You need to know your worth, ladies, not you obsessing over him like that and him ignoring you. What is that? It should be repelling to you that he's not texting you back or he's ignoring you. Just be happy and let him do or add to your life, because your life is already amazing. You're already working towards your goals. You're already doing everything great for yourself. He's just adding a little bit more to you. Without him, you are still really complete and you are not chasing him. Secret or tip number 5 is you are observant. You are talking a little less. You are not revealing too much about yourself. This is not a performance or to please him. Even when you are in a relationship, you can't reveal everything to your partner. You need to keep some feminine mystery. So it's important to also have your own things to yourself. It's not every little chit-chat conversation that you had with your girlfriends that you have to share with your partner or your husband. Some little chit-chat you had with your girlfriends can be kept to yourself, between you and your girlfriend. You can't be sharing with the man that you just met about how much you get paid at work or about all your little dirty secrets with your girlfriends. All that needs to be kept to yourself until a specific period of time. Or just don't share it at all, ladies. Keep certain information, certain things about you to yourself until you trust certain people at a certain level in your life. Secret or tip number 6 is date yourself. Before dating any man, ladies, you need to date yourself. Get to know what you like and what you don't like. You are actually being rude or mean to yourself when you don't put all your energy into yourself, yet putting it into somebody else. The more you enjoy your own aura and your own presence, is the more you're going to bring that magnetic energy into your surroundings. You can start by taking yourself to that little cafe that recently opened in your neighborhood across the street, or you can go to the drugstore and get yourself makeup products, skincare products, or you can go to your nearest library and read a book. Just find anything and everything that's gonna help enhance your inner person and make you a better person, and as well, most importantly, a high valued woman. And remember, ladies, you are that woman. Start acting like you deserve all good things and make that man obsessed with you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this video was impactful, and I hope you take everything that I shared with you and apply it into your life. I love you guys so much, and I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button as well. Please do share this video to as many people as possible. Let us create a whole community. Let's build a whole feminine community. Share it to your friends, your female friends, and draw them all to this channel. I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you again. Bye, lovelies. Mwah.